Hi everyone, it's Carita. Welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today's video is going to be a half smoosh marble, but first I thought it would be nice if I include painting the base color because I rarely show my naked nails. I think so far the only video I have where I've shown my naked nails is my nail care routine. So if you want to check that out, it'll be in the card in the top right corner of the screen. The colors I'm going to be using are Milani Teal, the gray is ICU Lacquer, and the color is Smokey. The black is Orly Liquid Vinyl, and the blue is Kiss New York Stunning Blue, and that is also the base color. So first what I'm going to do is take some Scotch tape and apply it down the center of my nail, and then use an orange stick to secure the center, well not center, the edge of the tape to make sure it's completely flat so that no polish can seep under the tape. Remember, number one tip to using tape, any type of tape, whether you're using Scotch tape, painter's tape, little bitty old striping tape, no matter what kind of tape you're using, always remember to apply a top coat to your base color, because if you don't and you put tape on top of your base color, the tape is going to pull up your base color. Next, you're going to drip the colors on your stamper and then dab it on the exposed side of your nail. You can use the tape to to protect the side of your nail so that the polish doesn't get on your skin. But I didn't feel like doing all that. I don't feel like it's that bad. Like, it's not that messy. But you can do it if you want to. When you're done smooshing, you just dab your stamper on the paper towel to clean off the excess polish, and then dab it on some tape to clean off the extra or whatever was left behind. Then you're left with a clean stamper ready for the next nail. My stamper is too small because every time I flip it over, it's like I have to hurry up and do it, or else the polish is gonna start running down the sides of the stamper. But like I said, I think my stamper is too small, so if you have a bigger one, then I don't think you'll have that problem. For my index nail, I smooshed with all three colors, the blue, black, and the gray. striping tape and placing it down the middle of my nail where the base color and the Smooshy Marble meet in the center. After placing it, I'm just going to peel it back up a very little bit just so I can get my scissors under there to trim off the excess. And if you're using striping tape as part of your manicure, it's always better to cut it just a little bit shorter than your nail, because if it's hanging off a little bit, it's going to be easier to get caught in your hair or something and peel up off of your nail. Next, I'm painting on a coat of the Milani Teal, which is a glitter polish. I couldn't get enough of the chunky glitter, and I didn't want to shake the bottle because that's how you end up with bubbles in your manicure. So I just dripped the polish on my little Q-tip thingy and picked up the glitter with my cuticle pusher because the orange stick didn't really pick it up very good. To zoom in to show you how I was putting the glitter on, but I didn't know I was out of focus. Sorry. That is it for this manicure. I hope you enjoyed it. I didn't like it at first. I don't know why. But thanks to some encouraging people, they just persuaded me to finish it and get this video uploaded. So thank you to everybody that's watching. Thank you to everybody that wanted me to finish this video. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, I hope that you decide to. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified of all my videos. And I will see you all in the next video.